What's happening? What do I do? What do I do?
Pet him. Pet him.
When your friend has been lonely for too long, it feels like this. It's pretty obvious who the owner of this house really is. Lady, what's so funny? What did you just say? That's weird. I swear I heard something. Did you just say that again? Hey, stop it! Hey!
Who's my little smoochie? My little smoochie bear.
This little fellow cat isn't amused by his nickname at all.
Smoochie's the perfect name for you.
The moment you realize there's no such thing as a free box of kibble or can of pate. When you're drunk and start reminiscing about your first love. Seeking attention but being ignored. Versus ignoring everyone but get attention.
I think I'm obsessed with this, but I'm okay with it. I am obsessed with it. And I think this is an obsession.
No, God, please, no!
You want a stress-free job and still have time to sleep? Start a kitty kindergarten. Guy, you really need a caution sign. Handle with care. Savage animal. This cat really knows how to spot the third wheel in town. The ultimate taste test. Sample all bite of it.
I said one bite! Oh!
All day apart, craving for cuddles, but she's a chatterbox on steroids.
Good.
When he's not just your boyfriend, but also your cat's beloved colleague. The moment discovering your colleague is paid more and favored by the boss.
My little baby.
So she's in labor and she wants dad. She's parked on the towel, her water's leaking.
Don't ask why I forget things. I was even putting my little friend in my pocket and then thinking he mysteriously vanished. last night's slumber party might be about heartfelt talks, especially from the girl in the middle. Is that a snake? Jeez. It's just a food provider.
Can't stop.
This cat's engine purrs, reminding the owner it's time for an oil change. Eat big, move small. Meet the bone dog. When you tell your husband to pack only the essentials for visiting family, and he brings the cat.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
All you want is a slice of cake, but suddenly you're the poster child for shamelessness.
Да, а мне-то не очень такая.
Dangerous to doze off while supervising construction like this, kitty. You're living it up while your bestie still has to punch the clock. Raising a French cat means getting daily farewell kisses. He returns from the hunt, but smelling like a strange lady cat. Be careful when sneaking onto the royal bed of a finicky cat. Maybe this feline just got some cooking inspiration from Ratatouille. The best audience is still our closest supporters, even when we're just a beginner. Having affectionate cats means group cuddles might replace personal time. This furry lady must be the one who often goes to the spa. Though young, this lad's already showing signs of being a natural boss. Meeting someone with the same core values even tones by chance. Oh yes, it's bedtime stories. We finished chapter 19 last night, didn't we? He didn't anticipate meeting a rival even more stubborn than himself. It's past 11 a.m. and he's still not up to open the tuna can for you. Isn't it fun having furry friends like them? And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.